Today I'm so much delighted by the new school bus, and I really thank the management for what they have done. This is actually just the beginning. We are going yet to see more, and I also pray, inshallah. It's my wish and my prayer that soon even the school will develop, even new school structures will be built, and that's my prayer and my wish, inshallah. And also we continue developing. As students, we are very, as parents, actually we are very proud of the school, and we are really grateful for whatever actually the course of the management, and also at the same time we're really grateful for the kind of development we are seeing within the school.
Naitwa Purity Mweni. Nafurahia sana juu ya Mountain View, Madam Helen. Kwa hii new bus, tumefurahia sana kama wazazi, and we are very proud. Itasaidia juu mtoto wangu atafika shule mapema na kurudishwa nyumbani mapema. Yeah.
So you're excited?
Yes.